Good morning, good morning. Today I want to do a video about this air fry, this brand name COSORI. 5 years ago I bought this and I did a video cooking, and some of my viewers are asking me the brand name and where I bought it from Amazon. So if you're one of those that bought it, there is a recall, safety recall, because the company, they make the power cord very cheap and flimsy. So people were getting shocked and catches fire. So there's a recall. You go online, you fill out a form, and the company will send you a brand new air fryer for free. So it takes me about 5 days to receive a new one. You sent it 3 days ago. So if you buy this brand from Amazon, I think they only sell it on Amazon. The reason I do this because some of my viewers asked me back then why I bought the air fryer and the brand name. So if you bought one, follow the instruction. They ask you to cut the cord, take a picture, upload it, and they send you a brand new one free. This is like a newer model. បងប្អូនមើលវីដេអូខ្ញុំគាត់សួរខ្ញុំទិញ air fryer នេះឈ្មោះអីឈ្មោះនេះខ្ញុំទិញ 4-5 ឆ្នាំមុនប៉ុន្តែក្រុមហ៊ុនវាធ្វើខុសធ្វើខ្សែភ្លើងខុសវាធ្វើថោកពេកធ្វើមិនឆក់ឲ្យឆេះ air fryer ចុះទៅក្រុមហ៊ុនអាគាំងគេផ្ញើយើង free អាថ្មីម៉ូតថ្មីពេលនេះពេលយើងអាំងតិចទៅអានេះវាឡើងក្តៅទុនហ្មងហ្នឹងហើយយើងដាក់10 minute ទុនតើយើងបាត់បងស្អិតតើយើងអត់សូវប្រើផង So I'm going to put the link in the description. Just click on the link and then follow the instruction to get your replacement, this air fryer. It's a good brand. It lasts me 5 years except for the power cord. Okay, no cooking today. We've been without air fryer for a week. So yeah, cut the power cord. Take picture of the back, take picture of the front, take picture of the bottom. The bottom has a model number back there. Follow instruction, you'll get your free air fryer within a week, less than a week. Okay, the reason I do this is because some of my viewers did ask me back then the brand name of the air fryer. Okay, thank you. I don't know, I've never seen them at Walmart or anything. I think they mostly sell them on Amazon. Maybe Best Buy. But not too many people know about the recall. I just found out a couple months ago, but I keep waiting. I thought maybe it's okay, I'll keep using it. But the cord's getting flimsy and flimsier. I put electrical tape here so I won't get shocked. Okay. No cooking. Mommy going to work today.
Yeah. Oh, lucky lazy bang bang. Get lazy. Ban air fry mấy ban thử nhắm.
Nghe đấy.
Ăn sẽ câu nghe đó.
Chicken. Maybe.
Ăn sẽ kêu nghe được một ngày.
Okay, thank you. I hope you follow this video if you bought one of this brand name. Okay, have a good day. Con bông bồn. Ở bên nhà mấy đấy ngày đấy. Người lớn trong bạc air fry mấy nhầm thao đòi bông bồn mà đằng.
Cái bài mà.
No, I open right now. Okay, bye-bye.